up doing my makeup or something. First off, we got somebody new on the crew, guys, who's going to be helping us film and everything. What's your Instagram? She
films bikes.
Yeah, she films bikes. Listen, the footage we're going to have, this is going to be like quality 8K, like status shit, all right? Like, we're going big. Anyways, we're not here to talk about me taking my leg off. We're here to talk about motorcycle parts. This is a stock compensator. This is a stock compensator on horsepower. So, as you guys have probably seen a lot of this online, these compensators break. The thing is when these compensators break, they typically break in 3 pieces. When they break in the 3 pieces, one of these pieces will end up doing this and rolling into the other one, locking your crank. That's what twists the crank. Now, the OEM cranks are already scary as shit. So breaking one of these inside there will almost definitely blow that crank completely out. So I make sure that we are going to do some upgrade work. We've been using a lot of different compensators as of lately. Since we've had the dyno here now at the shop for the last 4 months, we've really seen some changes on what we're doing on chatter for compensators, what we've been doing for combinations. And what I like with Evolution here is Evolution offers this compensator ramp. All machined. So this isn't a casted part like here. When you guys get these things, you can compare them to this. We'll do a flyover shot of this so you guys can see it after this. But what you'll see is the way these ramps are designed versus a casted one, and the porosity that is inside of this that you're going to see versus this. This is, machined. This is a nice system. Now, if you've got a low mileage bike and you are doing, let's say, just a cam and everything, I am okay with you guys using the same spring plates, stock spring plates inside of that motor. Now, if you've got miles on it, I'd say anything over 25, 30,000, replace those spring plates. Just a smart thing to do. But you can get just the Evolution ramp for $395. I love this ramp. I love the way it's machined, and what's really nice is that good old made in the USA right here on the side, you guys. They laser etch that in. It's pretty sexy, I'm not going to lie. Too bad you can't see that inside there. So, as you guys know, here at OF Performance and the Speed and Development Facility, we're all about American-made products. All of our products are made actually one exit down right here. We have our own machine shop here locally. But for now, since we don't have our own compensator, this is what we're talking about, guys. The Evolution compensator, $395. If you're going to do anything, if there was something that I was going to tell you that's mandatory on a M8, even if it's brand new, change this. Change this out. Get rid of this, so you got to deal with this, and then you got to put a crank in it. Now, I get it. You're under warranty. You're this, you're that. Do you want to deal with it? I mean, if you do, wait till it breaks and then have them replace it with something better. But if anything, Evolution, you guys, make sure you guys check them out, evolutionindustries.com. Go see what they're doing. Or you can just order it through us. Go to ofperformance.com, shoot us an email, let us know what you're looking for, or just come down here to the shop. We're right across from the Beaver Bar, Boot Hill. We're outgrowing this facility already. We got something coming in the future, so that'll be fine. So, one more time, make sure you're following everybody. We'll drop all the Instagrams for all of our employees and stuff. And this is going on the She Glide build, so make sure you're following her on Instagram. It's going to be a pretty cool Street Glide build. We're doing a 465 cam, Sawicki pipe, Recluse clutch, Evolution comp. What else are we throwing in there? Revolution manifold, injectors. So kind of like more of your, it's not a stage 2 or stage 3, it's our stage 2, let's call it that. So follow us online, you guys. Visit the website, check it out. Check out all of our products, and if anything, we want to say thank you guys for the follow. Make sure you like and subscribe to the YouTube channel down below here. So one more time, keep following up. She Glide build coming at you.
And cut.